Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Wise account to Etsy. So all you need to do is open your favorite browser and then type in etsy.com. You will be redirected to a page exactly like this but with a sign in button. Just simply press on sign in and input your sign in details. If you don't have an account, simply press on register. It is very simple step. Now all you need to do is press on your account. You will see sell on Etsy. I already have done this stage, so I have shop manager. Press on it. Now we'll see shop preferences, name your shop, all these, but our main focus is how we will get paid. So simply all you need to do is scroll down until you see add your bank informations. Now all you need to do is go to your Wise account and then press on your account information. You will see your bank name, account number, bank code, branch code, and Swift BIC. As you know that in Wise you can open multiple currencies bank. So you just simply choose the currency that you want to use in Etsy and just copy the informations of that account with that currency, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.